couple months ago, we were sent a set of locking shocks for trailers for evaluation. So I captured a little bit of video showing the unboxing, talking about the X-Chocks. I was pretty impressed with how they performed, the ease that they were able to be set up and taken down. But I wanted to do some long-term testing to see how they held up against long-term use for people who were full-time or that allowed them to be exposed to the environment for long-term. So I just want to finish that up today and show you what's happened over the last couple months of cold weather down here in Mississippi. We've gone through rains, we've gone through tornado warnings and everything else. So, but this is just real world. You know, we've had it out here on our trailer for a little while. This is how well that they've handled the environment that we've put them through. So in my initial videos that I took, I was pretty impressed with how easy the chocks went into the wheel assemblies. They opened up and closed very easily. Installation onto the trailer was really simple. So they did impress me with their functionality. Just a quick glance at them. Yeah, you can see that there is a little bit of surface rust. Again, we didn't do anything special to them. There was no prep, so I would imagine that the minor rust that I'm seeing now, had somebody spent a little bit of time on them, you know, coming out here on a regular basis, or did any kind of prep work with a little simple can of WD-40, probably could have eliminated most of this. But let's see how easy it is to actually get undone. Well, I'd say that worked out pretty easy. As you can see, for the most part, they did hold up pretty well. Just some minor surface rust, just to run it in and out. So overall, they did really well. I would be pretty happy to use them on a fairly regular basis. I'm glad I had the opportunity to do an evaluation with them, and I think they're going to come in handy here around the shop.